If you're experiencing a credit timeout issue on your BlocPower 2026 device, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Restart the device. Begin by turning off the BlocPower 2026. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the timeout. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to timeouts. If necessary, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or switch to a wired connection. Step 3. Update firmware. Check for any available firmware updates for your BlocPower 2026. Go to the settings menu and look for the update option. Installing the latest firmware can resolve bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to BlocPower customer support for further assistance. They can provide specialized help and guide you through more advanced troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the credit timeout issue on your BlocPower 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional support.